Delhi rong supi Ramlila Maidan along Article 244 ya Parman Dharna kam demonstration kapadupon. Bogojan along HY CPPN KSA Chelangsi CCI duk aputak kachisong asay kideng. Ingdeng Pre-Karbi Youth Development Organization KYD song mahangkitek Arni Katalon. Kardom Kadius Time Birta Long Penili Thare Chisong Teron, no Birtang Ton Pen Arjik Tam. Delhi Rong Supi Ramlila Maidan Along Matijong ni Pai Crescent Camp Arni, Karbiang Long Lapen Dimasa Parman, Prabjin Pen, Autonomous State Implement Nangji. Dharna Kam Demonstration Padupon Bomno Pusi Kat News Along Birta Nangle. Delhi rong supi Ramlila Maidan along Kanchanstikom KSC, KRA Karsa Kuya, Jakas, JNH, DSU, ADSU, DMA, DWS Lapen AA, BCC Tumpen Article 244A Prabjin Pen, Deng Nangji Pradharna Kam, Demonstration Ajay Mek Padupon Bomlo.
Our demonstration here representatives of all social organizations of the Karbi Anglong NCOs and all political organizations of the district. Our demand is to create the autonomous state that is within the Constitution of India under the Article 244. I would like to request and appeal to the leaders of the BJP and the Congress, especially to the Prime Minister of India and the Home Minister of India at present, that please as soon as possible implement the Article 244A immediately, because it is been for a long time injustice for us, and it has been for a long time struggle by the people of Karbi Anglong NCOs. So please, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and Home Minister Rajnath Singh ji, immediate implement to the Article 244A of the Indian Constitution.
Assam Jatiyawadi Yuwa Chatra Parisat AJYCP Lapen Karbi Student Association Bogojan Regional Committee Tumpen Chepatr Pipon Simatijong ni Pai Crescent Cap Arni por Pai Cresia Porpen CCI Atum Adukamihi Kepatan Aptak Kachesonga Sai Kedeng. AJYCP Pen KSA Atum General Manager Apan Ipak Pinporolo Pajir Pinporolo Long Kejongpon Prabjin Pen CCI Simenaduk Kang Nang Pot He Pining Pening Kan Troxiano Laso Putak Nang Kachesong Sita CCI tum sai dengwang ve kopia pot lopusi karju la sojok bokojana long kido ongdung atum adu kichopen kiso long rentilo la pen aprandam nanglo la anapi piniarni anta CCI tum radapan ajada sai kimita dengdi pusya koipi la sinon prabjin pen sai deng nang pokali pulote puthot kachesonga sai deng tunang kopo pusi AJYCP pen KSA Karbi Anglong District Committee G2 Pukon Pen Lamthe Pachinipon. Kat News Channel Aperang ke Anon Terang Bogojan Pen ng Kapale Abirta. Dipu Joysing Doloy Auditorium Hall along Matijong ni Pai Crescent Cap Arni anano por Pai Crania Porpen Ingdeng Pli Karbi Youth Development Organization asong Mahangkitek Arni Katalon. KYD Mai Pukiron Tok Be Hin Pen Song la Mai Ingtor Pon Dedapi Head Branch la Pen Sabran la Tumpen Mai Ingnipon Tulum KYD Mai Pukiron Tok Be Pen Mai Kachari Pon Mai Long Pabang Jangaluhia Man Pen Kachetong Dun Tekar Chabang Long Sing Teron Man Peng Aluhi District and Session Court Advocate Robinson Hansi Chophaluhi KSA Mai Pu Simeon Rong Park KNCA Amai Pi Merina BP DSA Amai Pu Diras Dipusa RNS Yabari Maipu Henpiga Rengma Tum Chetong Dunsi Mai Mission Lapen Ingsam Jin Pen Pachun Ponlo.
Indari Pukatake Chensi organization of the order Helitunga Rapchari kan Dugopa Political Nankan Dugoposi Dak Namore Chari dan Chalong Yat Tekeda Isira Kiketera Regionalism Puisia Aniga Sentiment Kaleko Chinturi Pote Laga Regional Ajako Nan Viki Regional aja ko dan katike cinturuni.
Non malam sopor pandhina parman birta moington panik senen.
Viswas Car Zone, used four-wheeler showroom near Harkhat Civil Hospital. All types of used cars are available at a very cheap rate. For more details, please contact at 9435 169675 or 9954 835181.
Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center. Facilities available: list of haircut, hair treatment, hair oiling, henna, straightening, hair perming, full body spa, coloring, waxing, manicure and pedicure, party makeup, list of facial, signature galvanic facial, signature Aurelatus facial, gold, pearl, diamond facial, fruits facial, cleanup, normal facial and bleach. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center, KST Road near Aturkimi Outlet, Difu, Karbi Anglong. Banalata Chaudhary Deka 9435539500.
Holy Child Academy, Lurulangso, Difu, Karbi Anglong. New admission starts from 15th of December 2017 for the class of playgroup to class 5. The new classes will start from 8th of January 2018. The academy provides many facilities such as computer education, secure environment, music and dance class, art and painting class, playroom, audio-visual room, school tuition, daycare, school tiffin, smart class, child development center, etc. Parents or guardians are requested to collect the admission form from the principal office at office hours. For more details, please contact at 9854 143 772 or you can also contact at 03 671 27900.
Viswas Motors Yamaha, two-wheeler showroom near Hauraghat SBI ATM. Full tank fuel on all scooters is offered till Christmas. Good servicing facilities and all accessories and parts are available here. For more details, contact 7896 955 806 or 9954 833 491.
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি? এতিয়া আৰু চিন্তা নাই, কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ। বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াৱহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব।
কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ।
Kanch, Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecho ason la penthesire alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecho ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihinamo Pipotot Birtalong Wangtulum. Hauragat Subdivision are Lokido, Sunpura Long Model Hospital Kasalam Japan, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Pen, Site Cheparideng Pontanglo. Sunpura Long Model Hospital Kasalam Jalam, Matijong Kretrok Sierni, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Okpran Kelang Ayam, Konsing Rong PC, Laso Hospital along Kahomri Dam Ahod Radapan Tan Pachini. Sunpura Model Hospital Kikim Japan, Sika Kuti Kepatangkata Panong Ponlo Puta, Iam Rongpi Ningje. Model Hospital Kim Tang Lote Laknia Rat Se, Kachelang our side Longpo Pusonta Alangli Aning Chithe.
বছৰকাৰণে হাওৰাঘাট বাখী ৰাইজ বা হাওৰাঘাট সমষ্টিৰ লগতে 2 লাখ জনসংখ্যাৰ মাজত এটা ভাল মডেল হস্পিটেল আহিব। এটো যেটো মানে ইতিমধ্যে 3টা সমষ্টিতে হৈ গৈছিল এই কামটো। আমাৰ ডিফু এলএ সমষ্টি থাকি গৈছে। ডিফু এলএ সমষ্টি কবলৈ যাওঁতে হাওৰাঘাট বাখীয়ে মোক জিকাই পঠাই এটা সুবিধা এইটো দিছে। আমাৰ সুনপুৰা সমষ্টিটো হাওৰাঘাট এমএসিত পৰে, এমএলএ হিচাপে হেতু ডিফুত পৰে। কিন্তু হে মাটিও আছে তাত, কিন্তু তাত মডেল হস্পিটেল এটা বনোৱা এটা ইতিমধ্যে প্ৰসেস হৈ গৈছে, প্ৰায় মোটামুটি শেষ পৰ্যায়লৈ আহিছে। এটো এটা আমাৰ হাওৰাঘাট সমষ্টিৰ কাৰণে লগতে 2 লাখ যি জনসংখ্যা আছে আশে-পাশে তাৰ কাৰণে এটা ভাল খবৰ।
Simeon Rongphar keja akesia tumpen matijong ni pai trainer cap arni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ICM Tuliram Ronghang amepi meke kaipen special tedapan aning kedok dialam Chipaklang.
Dipu lamding kena matawara long kedo KSA asahe matheng no along CM Ronghang amepi meke kaisi special tet apan aning kipung Chipaklang. Hamphang asong pen tet aputak abatai kacesong padolo. Asam pen Karbi Anglong along special tet kepadua jok penangan Karbi Ariso nahoklu. Council pen si special tet binangji. Asam pen kalipusi KSA asong ja Rongphar ningche.
Unemployed youths of Karbi Anglong. Today we also condemn Tuliram Ronghang, the CM of Karbi Anglong, because for a couple of years we have been demanding that Karbi Anglong should conduct TET examination, because there are hundreds of posts that are lying vacant in the education department, and he has assured us that he will conduct TET in Karbi Anglong. But today, till today we have only heard what he has said, but we have not seen what he has done. Therefore, Tuliram Ronghang is only a man of word but not a man of action. Therefore, today we want to make aware of the government, the BJP government, that if they continue bringing such draconian laws, draconian decision, then Karbi Anglong will witness a mayhem situation.
Pini Card News time berita Bangladesh Kangton Poniglo, laibom the Card News channel, Dumit Hakme, Kurang 2.